popular and tall, with looks that never quit and possibly a hit. I want the universe to take away the curse, to feed me one more lie that I will never die. 'Cause if I had it all, then I would never fall as long as I'm alive. Shame on me. Shame on me. Is it bigger than my friends? 'Cause if I had it all, then I would never fall as long as I'm alive. Shame on me. Shame on me. I want the world to see that I ain't got a need. I can do it on my own with a heart of silicone. 'Cause if I had it all, then I would never fall as long as I'm alive.
I'm a little like Clayton, Kershaw, throwing heat, make the ladies take their shirts off. I'm a little like Michael Jordan, tongue out and I can't stop scrolling. I'm a little bit like Dwayne Wade, just got paid, probably getting laid. I'm gonna break it down for you once more. I'm a little like Clayton, Kershaw. Like I'm taking them out when I'm up in the club. to the bar, make it rain like it's downpouring. Yeah, I'm the king, just call me LeBron. When I'm running the floor, and I'm making my championship run. Run. Yeah. Split it down the middle like another Cy Young. There's no escaping this. I'm dominant. Yeah, you can call me arrogant, but
I'm a little like Clayton, Kershaw, throwing heat, make the ladies take their shirts off. I'm a little like Michael Jordan, tongue out and I can't stop scoring. I'm a little bit like Clayton, just got paid, probably get laid. I'ma break it down for you once more time.
I'm a little like Clayton Kershaw. Crowd hush, catch it, give me the sign. Coming in for the kill. I'm a closer, there's no overtime. Now I know she down for it. I've been gaming her all night, now she begging like a hound for it. I'm on top, the head of the class. I'm the number one pick, and the women are willing, they wanna tap that. Hit it like a bomb off a Beirut's back. There's no defeating me. I got you. Strike 1, 2, 3. Take a seat.
I'm a little like Clayton Kershaw, throwing heat, make the ladies take their shirts off. I'm a little like Michael Jordan, tongue out and I can't stop scoring. I'm a little bit like Wayne, just got paid, probably get laid. I'ma break it down for you once more time.
I'm a little like Clayton Kershaw.